guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another FabBag unboxing video. So in today's video I'm going to unbox what's all we have in August FabBag. So if you are interested in watching what all we have in August FabBag, then please keep on watching. So we have received the box just like any other month, and inside we can see there is one product in the box and then we have the actual pouch. So let's start with the product that is already there in this box. So we have Tintin gel eyeliner, and this one is 360 gel long lasting liner in the shade rich black, and this one retails for rupees 449. And yeah, I don't think we have anything else to talk about this. We have tried their lipstick before and I haven't heard about this brand before. Like FabBag has introduced me to this brand. So yeah, let's see how their products are. And this is how the liner looks like. It's a gel liner. It also comes with a brush, which is a great thing, and a brush quality also looks amazing, so that's a great thing. And this is how the actual gel looks like. I still will try to open this up for you. So this is how the pot looks like. It's just like any other normal gel liner cup pot. So yeah, that was the first product. Now let's talk about the pouch. Oh my god, I love the quality of this one. Even the color and the pattern, everything is so good for this month's bag. I'm really happy because Julyka FabBag, I really didn't like it at all, so I'm really happy to receive this one. It's very good. The quality is definitely so good, and this is how you just have to open it. Like you have to open it like that, and then you can just unzip it, and then you have all of your products. So let's dive into the products now, but before that we are going to see the info card. And do we have any other info card in here? Okay, yes. Okay, so this month's theme was the lash and line August FabBag, which means that we definitely have a liner and a lash, which is a mascara, I am assuming that. And this time in this month we don't have any makeup product choosing option. So yeah, now we have 1 2 3 4 and 5 products, and I believe all of them are full size. Yeah, we have 5 full-size products, which is a great thing. And also we have in my FabBag contest details over here. This time if you participate and win, you will get one liquid eyeshadow, then we have a stick highlighter, and then we also have a lipstick. So these are the products you will get if you will win this contest. I always try to participate, and this time also I'll try to participate, so we'll keep that aside. Now the first thing I see here is from the brand called Tejas Blends. It's a lavender foot mist. I haven't heard about a foot mist before, or maybe I haven't tried any till now. This one retails for rupees 399 and it expires in 2023, so that is a great thing. Now let's see. Okay, you just have to spray this on your feet and they will smell fresh, I believe, and they will feel fresh. And yeah, that's a good thing to have, actually, something unique. So this is how the product looks like. I haven't opened it yet and I don't intend to open it as well. Right now I'm not gonna open it, but I'm still gonna show you the product. And this is how the product looks like. It's obviously not lavender color. Now the next thing we have is from the brand Crown Clay Body Butter. It's their shea butter plus aloe vera version. Now we have received this brand's product before, and these are very good. You know, they are really good for your skin. Now this one retails for rupees 195 and it's just a normal body butter. I haven't opened this one as well, and it smells like vanilla. I don't know why this smells so much like vanilla. Yeah, this smells almost like a vanilla. And it says you just have to apply this from head to toe. You can apply this wherever you want, and this will give a natural glow. And this is a full-size product, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Now the next thing I see here is from the brand. It's from the brand called Nyasa Creme de Provence Face and Body Scrub. This one is also a full-size product and retails for rupees 249. So it's just a normal or herbal face scrub, I believe. because I can tell from the texture it's definitely herbal and it won't have any harmful chemical in it. It also has shea butter, so that's a great thing, and it has sesame oil and jojoba beads as well. So yeah, this one was the next product in this month's FabBag. Now the second last product we have is from Monsub's Lavender Soothing and Firming Facial Mask, and we have a sheet mask this time. This one retails for rupees, how much? It doesn't say, it might be over here. Wait. This one retails for rupees 200, and yeah, it's just a lavender sheet mask. I haven't used any sheet mask in the longest time, so I'm really looking forward to put this on my skin. Yeah, that's there. Now this one expires in 2022, so yeah, that's there. This is a next thing. Now the last thing we have in this month's bag is again from the brand Tintin, and it's the Super Sizer Fibers Waterproof Mascara. I'm really excited to use this one as well because yeah, the packaging is so luxurious. Let me give you a closer look. Now this one retails for rupees 549, and yeah, let's just open. It's in the color black as it mentions over here, and this is how the actual product looks like. See how luxurious is this one. The packaging definitely feels luxurious. I don't know how it will perform, but I'm really looking forward to use this one as well. So yeah, this is the last product in this month's FabBag, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this one. If you wanna see any other month's FabBag unboxing, you can go ahead and check my description box out. I will link the playlist in which you will have all of my FabBag unboxing videos. So yeah, that was all. You can also check out the description box if you want to purchase this, because I will link all the purchase link in the description bar below. We'll also mention the prices and stuff, so don't forget to check my description box out. And yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. You can like this video if you like this video. You have to just give this video a big thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.